Okay, children, I am starting because it will take time. So many things, 1 hour is not enough for so many things. Okay. Uh, Children, this thought is spoken by Thomas Alva Edison. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. This thought is reflect the whole life of Thomas Alva Edison. Meaning of this thought, if you understand, you can see highlighted words. You catch the highlighted words only. Life's failure, how close to success, gave up. People get failure in life because they not give up when they are very close to success. We started things, we do it with patience, but in the end, we are so tired. Just from the ending point, we back. So, most of the people get failures because they not realize that they are very near to success. The Thomas Alva Edison was a winner because he was not a science degree. He is an amateur. He do his experiments as kids are doing, playing with things, making things, and he made many scientific gadgets due to curiosity without any formal education. He is not graduate also. So this is the Thomas Alva Edison is an example that without education, without proper training, we can success through our interest. Through our interest, we can get success. Children, can you hear me properly? Thumbs up karo beta, please. Okay, thank you so much. Those who can't hear me, they will hear. Just wait, okay? This is the picture of childhood picture of Thomas Alva Edison. Now the story. The scientist who invented the electric light bulb and many other important devices, Thomas Alva Edison was born on February 11, 1847 at Milan, Ohio, in the United States of America. Children, these points you remember because I will ask the quiz about Thomas Alva Edison. Okay. So he was born on February 11, 1847 at Milan, Ohio in the United States of America. He came from a poor family. His parents admitted him to the local primary school. This inquisitive child always posed questions to his teachers. Inquisitive, you can see here one word, inquisitive means eager to learn new things. So Thomas was an inquisitive child. He always asked questions to his teachers. But his teachers, instead of providing him with answers, considered him stupid and rejected him. Many times it's happened. Students or kids, those who ask so many questions, we thought that they are disturbing the class, they are disturbing the house in family also. Finally, his self-respecting mother stopped his schooling and took upon herself the task of teaching him. Coupled with this, Edison loved to experiment. When her mother started teaching, he already liked to experiment with small things. His nature was developed like experimenting because he not go school. He would experiment with any object he could lay his hand on. See the picture of his family. After getting permission from his father at the age of 12, only 12, Edison started selling newspapers in train. He would travel the 96-kilometer distance from Huron Port in Michigan City and sell newspapers. He liked his work. Besides, it brought him money. He liked to sell newspapers. It also gave him money. So both the things was there. He collected money. He arranged money for himself, and also he liked his work. In the age of 12, he started selling newspaper. In 1869, he purchased a printing press. From this money, in 1869, he purchased a printing press. In a railway compartment, he would print his journal. So when he purchased printing press, he started printing newspaper journals. Name of this journal is Grand Trunk Herald. Why Grand Trunk Herald? Because where he selling the newspaper, the railway track's name is Grand Trunk. So with this name, he started printing his newspaper, which name is Grand Trunk Herald. Most of the content was written by him only. He would also perform experiments during his spare time. Spare matlab free time. During one such experiment, phosphorus fell on the floor and the compartment got engulfed in the fire. Engulfed means spreading quickly. So phosphorus fell down on the floor of the compartment. Compartment means railway bogie. One separate bogie of railway is called compartment. There the fire engulfed. The railway guard arrived and threw out all the contents of his laboratory. So in his railway compartment, he make a laboratory, but the railway guard throw it. The enraged guard slapped Edison, due to which he was left short of hearing in 1 year. Enraged means very angry. Angrily, the guard slapped Edison, and for that reason, one of his ear is damaged and he got left short hearing. 3 children, his young age pictures. It is blurred because it is very old picture. It seemed that if the world has come to an end, when he was not here from 1 year, people thought that now he will not do anything because he was not educated, his 1 year is not working properly. So it is the end of the world. But Edison did not admit defeat and give up. It came as a blessing in disguise. उल्टा क्या हुआ, उसका और ध्यान और जो concentration था, because he can't hear properly now, so he was focused on his work. Nobody disturbed him. So it is get as a good thing. It came as a blessing in disguise. Now he started selling newspapers at the station itself. He gradually got interested in electricity. His experiences with engines and railroad repair shops turned his thought toward machines and inventions. One bright morning, Edison was talking to the telegraph operator, Mackenzie. He was talking with a telegraph operator. His name was Mackenzie. And all of a sudden, he saw that whose little son, Mackenzie's little son, Jimmy, was playing at the station. In the middle of the conversation, Edison saw the little baby crawling along the stony track. Crawling means हाथ और पैर से जो छोटे बच्चे चल के जाते हैं, स्टोनी ट्रैक के ऊपर वो चला गया in front of a small box car. Edison realized the danger and rushed towards the child. He seized the child and jumped to safety, but the car struck him on the legs and ears. So again he saved the child, but he again got an attack on his legs and on ear also. It was the second blow on his ear. As a reward for the brave deed he was doing, such a brave act, Mackenzie, who was a very renowned person, offered to teach Edison telegraphy and promised him a job on the line. Means in that railway, he got a job. A thrilled Edison grabbed the opportunity. He was lucky to have an offer for a paid job at the Port Huron Telegraph Office, which is directed by Mackenzie. Mackenzie was very happy with him, so he offered the job to him, and he was very happy to get the opportunity to do something bigger. He was lucky to have an offer for a paid job at the Port Huron Telegraph Office. At the age of 16, he got another better job of night operator at the station in Canada on the Grand Trunk Railway. It is the biggest railway of Canada. Every hour he had to send signal 6, which proved that the operator was awake. So every 1 hour, they have to give a signal to prove that the operator, the railway operator is not sleeping. He was awake. The signal came through the Edison station exactly the correct time every day. Every day after 1 hour, he gives the signal. One day, but attempt to get him over his own phone frequently failed, one day what happened, his phone was not picked up by anyone. Everyone tried to call him, but his phone is not picked up. So one night, an official uh, came to check and found Edison fast asleep. Official come to check why the phone is not picked up, and he saw that Edison was sleeping. Beside him was a mechanism connecting the telegraph with the clock. And when the clock struck the hour, the small machine sent the signal over the wire. What he had done? He put a wire with telegraph and a clock. Every hour the clock struck and the machine automatically get the signal. He was so genius to make the things. He was fired because of this reason. He was fired from his job. After work hours, he used his time to develop. Then after, he got another job because he was very talented. Because not of his education, his talent, he got another job. And there he got time to develop vote record, which worked on electricity. Voting record, he make a voting record machine, which is through work through electricity. After a few days, he decided to move to New York for better opportunities. But life was not easy. Thomas Alva Edison's life was not easy because he was born from poor background. He did not get literate and he did not get proper job. Finding the job was difficult. And that time, these scientific experiments are called mad. Mad people do this type of silly things. People think like that. While searching for a job, he landed up at a company office which sold information to its clients about stock exchange rates through its machine. One of their machines, gold indicator, had broken down. In a stock exchange, there is a gold indicator machine that is broken down. Edison checked the machine and repaired it in minutes. Within minutes, he repaired the machine. The manager was pleased and immediately offered him a job besides rewarding him for his repair work. उन्होंने उसको जॉब भी ऑफर किया और जो उसने रिपेयर किया था उसके लिए उसने एक अच्छा सा अमाउंट भी मनी भी उसे दिया. With this money, he started a workshop in New Jersey. With this money, what he started a workshop, laboratory like. In association with another engineer, he developed a telegraphic equipment which fetched him a good price. Now, he was amateur. He was making things by passion. But now he understands that his machines getting good price. So, he made a telegraphic equipment and he got very good price to sell it. Now, he understands his worth. He started understanding his worth. In 1876, he went to Menlo Park and improved upon the telephone invented by Alexander Graham Bell. What he improved? The telephone which invented by Alexander Graham Bell by providing better sound quality by inventing carbon granule microphone. He also went on to invent a talking machine called the phonograph. Actually, it is mobile. Right now, we call it mobile. That time, it is called phonograph. The machine could reproduce the pre-recorded sound on the still disc revolving on it. And then he could put a still revolving machine on it on the phonograph. And the phonograph is like CD. It is like CD. Afterward, a German scientist improved the machine and made the gramophone in 1887. Gramophone is just like CD. CD is small and gramophone is big. That time after when Edison put phonograph and still disc revolving around it for pre-recorded sound, scientists complete it, make it, improve it and make gramophone. Edison gained quite a bit of reputation with this phonograph. But the height of his popularity came with the invention of the electric light bulb. He put a filmlet on the both sides of the wire, and when he put the light, wire is put go through the light, it on. In 1879, with the help of 30 assistants, he organized a public demonstration. He had covered a part of Menlo Park with electric light bulbs. The spectators were taken aback when he switched on the bulbs. Spectator means audience. Taken aback means to सरप्राइजली ऑफ, सरप्राइज के साथ बोलना बंद हो जाए देख के. When he on the switch, all the bulbs started flaming. The next morning, the New York Herald published the news of this wonderful invention, and Thomas Alva Edison became a famous man. Within 2 years, he gained surprised the world with yet another spectacular invention. This time, it was the kinetograph, a kind of movie camera. He even created a machine that could project visual on the screen, which he called kinetoscope. Actually, it is projector. Now we call this projector. He connected the phonograph with it, which he made earlier phonograph, and projected audio-visual image on the screen, which is called, today we call this projectors. So what he made phonograph, he made electric bulb, he made kinetograph, which is a movie camera. Yaad rakhna, kinetograph means movie camera. So to combine it, he made projector. This genius had 1069 patents to his credit. Patent means कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट या कोई चीज हम बनाते हैं और उसका हम खुद को पेटेंट बना देते हैं. हमारे सेल किए बिना that thing nobody will use. He had noted down the intricacies of his invention in about 3,500 notebooks. It is most surprising that this scientist was not awarded a Nobel Prize for his invention, though he is considered as the greatest inventor of all time. You know, children, why? Because he has not degree. I think so. So he was not awarded Nobel Prize, but he was the one of the greatest inventor of his time and till date. In 1914, at the age of 67, Edison expressed his gratitude toward his nation by gifting the American Army with about 40 useful inventions. When he was 67 years old in 1914, he gifted his 40 useful invention to American Army in 1940. Children, this is the image of Edison. On October 18, 1931, Edison died at the age of 84. In 1934, 18 October, he died in the age of 84. He was buried at West Orange in New Jersey. West Orange in New Jersey. This great inventor was honored across America when electric light bulbs across the nation dimmed for a minute. He had worked his way up with great difficulty. He believed that his success was 1% inspiration and 99% perseveration. Perseveration means sweating. पसीने बहा के उसमें success मिला उन्हें. We are grateful to this self-made man who made this world a better place with hard work and preservation, aided with extraordinary genius. He was extraordinary genius and he preserved things very nicely. So we get benefited by lights and all things which we use right now. Okay, now children, quiz time. Okay. First, you have to write your answers in chat box. That is better. In which year Edison born? He born. Okay. Now, what is the date of birth of Edison? Already written. You already written. I asked year, you already written date. Okay, very good. Yes. Answer is 11. Very nice. Those who are writing, I will get your papers. Okay, no problem. I will take print out. Those who are writing the correct answer. Okay, next. 11th February. Right answer. Now, what is the birthplace of Edison? And first, सबसे पहले किसने लिखा मिलान? Rashi Patel. Rashi Patel written first. Okay. Next. Children, next question. What is the name of his first journal? उसका
Grand Trunk Herald.
Don't speak, beta. You have to write in chat box, okay? Now next is, in 1876, Edison went to Menlo Park to improve which machine? In 1876, Edison went to Menlo Park to improve which machine? एक machine, that machine was very famous. उस machine को उन्होंने improve किया था. That machine he improved. Anyone? That is made by Graham Bell. Hint भी दिया मैंने. That machine was made by Graham Bell and Thomas Alva Edison. Improve it. ग्राहम बेल ने क्या बनाया था? Invented by Graham Bell, which is improved by Thomas Alva Edison. उन्होंने उसको improve किया था इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के थ्रू. ओके, ग्राहम बेल ने टेलीफोन बनाया था. याद रखना. टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. प्लीज टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट. In which year Edison invented electric bulb? Can you give the answer? 9. He invented electric bulb. Okay, now next. In which place Edison put first electric bulbs? Demonstrated his bulbs for demonstration to the spectators. Audience के लिए उसने मेनलो पार्क पे उस प्लेस पे बल्ब्स लगा दी थी. प्लीज टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, यू विल नॉट गेट दिस आंसर्स एनीवेयर. ओके, व्हाट इज काइनेटोग्राफ? ओके, take screenshot of this thing. So already I will give you, when I will give you, send you recordings, that time you will get. Now, how many patents are have Edison in his credit? How many patents are have Edison? Edison ने कितने he has in his credit. Okay, children. Now next, which renowned prize Edison not got? ऐसा कौन सा प्राइज है जो हर साइंटिस्ट को मिला पर उन्हें नहीं मिला? ये बहुत इजी है. It is easy. Children, which renowned prize Edison not got? Right answer. In 1914, whom Edison gifted his 40 important inventions? किनको उसने अपने 40 important invention गिफ्ट कर दिया? किसको गिफ्ट किया था? It is also very simple. Yes, very good, very good. Shilpa, very good. All are giving right answer. Thank you so much. Very good. I'm very happy. Very nice. First answer is come from Rashi Patel. Okay. Then Jigisha, then Tanisha, then Shilpa Bashavda. Oh, wow. Very good. Thank you so much. All are giving right answer. Okay. American Army. In which date and year Edison died? You can give year and date. It is no, not Aksh Aditi Gamit, written right answer. 18 October 1931. Yeah, very good. Aksh. Given first answer, then all given, but first was 18 October 1931. Where is his burial place? उनको कहाँ दफनाया गया? What is the name of that place? Yeah, it is New Jersey. You are right. It is New Jersey. Very good. It is in New Jersey. Who given first right answer? Orange City. Very good. Sharma Kaushal. Orange. Actual name is West Orange in New Jersey. Place name is West Orange in New Jersey. Very good. Very good. Okay. Next. West Orange, New Jersey. Okay, children, write it in your notebook. Few meanings. Then we will start quiz. Sports first, and then we will start quiz of current affairs. Write in chat box only, okay? Grand Slam is, you can write option name also. A, B, C, D option. You can write, if right answer is D, you can write D. Whole answer, don't write whole answer. Question is, Grand Slam is used in which of the following games? Grand Slam word is used in which of the following games? Lawn tennis, football, badminton, none of above. Children, answer is A. So, who given first A answer, I will take their name. जो जिसने पहला A आंसर दिया था. Who among the following was the first Indian cricketer to bag 500 wickets in Test match? Highest wickets in Test match. Who? You can write on the first time. Okay? Anil Kumble is the right answer. Okay, now, which among the following is known as Bible of Cricket? This is the name of the books. All Out Cricket, Cricket Show Magazine, Wisdom, The Guide to Cricketers. These four are the name of the books which, from them, which is called the Bible of Cricket. Okay, now next question, question number, here written 5, so I am writing 5, okay? After writing 5, see, I written 5, after that you will give your answer. So question is, since which of the following year Winter Olympics are held? 1896, 1900, 1888, 1924. Winter Olympics. D. Answer is D, 1924. Okay. Now next. Then I will write my name and then you will start writing answer. Okay. Robbers Cup. It is written R. Robbers Cup is related to which of the following sports? Robbers Cup is related to which of the following sports? Football, cricket, hockey, tennis. Children, I will write my name please after that. Very good. Vishwa given first right answer, that is A. Okay. Now again I am writing my name. Okay, then next question. The word gambit is related to which of the following sports? Chess, table tennis, polo, carom. Gambit. I think you play all this. Polo के अलावा बाकी तो खेलते ही होगे सब. हाँ?
Ma'am, Agrawal.
Oh, you are confused. I said who given first answer? I will see myself. I will see myself. Oh, wait.
Ma'am, Vishwa Patel.
Vishwa given?
Yes.
Yes, Vishwa. Very good. Vishwa. Okay, next. Next is, okay, gambit is a chess opening. The opening player sacrifices usually a pawn with the hope of achieving a resulting advantageous position. Term related to chess. These all are terms related with chess. X-ray, Jugbang. I don't know about this. Okay, I am not good in chess. What is the duration of a test match? Oh, very simple. It is very simple. Rishiv given right answer. Oh, very good, very good, very good. Very nice. Okay, next. How far is the service line from the net in tennis? How far is the service line from the net in tennis? Service line से net के बीच की दूरी कितनी होती है? 25 feet, 21 feet, 20 feet, 19 feet. That is next question, I think. Okay. Next question is, yeah, it is very important question and you should know. Who is the only Indian athlete to win a gold medal at the IAAF 2018 World Under 20 Championship? Only one athlete who win gold till date. IAAF means International Authority of Athletics Federation. Actually, all you are very good in everything. Very good class. Who has composed the FIFA anthem? FIFA का जो anthem है वो किसने compose किया? Rob May, Simon Hill, French Lambert, all of above. Children, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस मैं इसलिए देती हूँ, little difficult, so you can know. In that way, you will know the things. Okay. One answer is C. C is the right answer. Who is given? Please give me.
Ma'am, Priya Agrawal.
That she is given 2 answers. Shreya Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, next. FIFA adopted an anthem in 1994 FIFA World Cup. It has composed by German composer French Lambert. It has been rearranged and produced by Rob May and Simon Hill. So first I will write my name. Already written. Okay. Children, question is, who are the current champions of the English Premier League? Liverpool, Arsenal, Chelsea, and Manchester City. It is very easy. Manchester City, the English Premier League is right now is the top level English football league system, which is contested by 20 clubs. It is most viewed sports league in the world. Girls, listen carefully. Current affairs started. Okay. This is 1 week's current affair. ये week में अगर newspaper पढ़े होगे तो ही आंसर दे पाओगे. What is Ganga Avlokan? That was seen in newspaper recently. It is a campaign. It is a museum. It is a commemorative stamp, or it is a channel. What is Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 6 mega development projects in Uttarakhand under the Namami Gange mission. This museum is one of them. That means right answer is B. Who written first card and which general insurance company has launched insurance cover for online financial frauds? Both launched insurance cover. कौन सा कंपनी? विच जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी? नेशनल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, बजाज अलायंस, टाटा AIG और सुंदरम इंश्योरेंस. फाइनेंशियल लॉसेस. So right answer is B. Who given first? B.
Sonu Jain.
Very good. Very good. Children, you get knowledge now. Change partners with which bank to empower small and medium enterprises? Axis Bank, Yes Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank. Okay, next one is